Good morning, everybody. We are here. We are ready to go. Today is Wednesday. The market is mixed right now. Okay, the market is mixed. We're not doing too bad at the moment, but I don't know if people are gonna realize what Jerome Powell was saying at the congressional hearing this morning or not. I don't think this guy's got a plan, man. I don't think that they're going to be able to get a soft landing. I don't think they're going to do what they say they're going to do. But that's just me. We got Nick F first in the chat. What's going on, Nick F? Pudgy, Keith, Juana, Silva. Buenos dias, Juana. I hope you're having a wonderful morning so far. Crypto Rocketeer, Pudgy, CD Wit, Crypto Rocketeer. Did he do that? Come on, camera. Dindy, James, and Hemi Life. What's going on, bro? What's going on? Let's see what the market has in store for us today. We've got AMC going from $13 per share to $12.80 per share over a 5-minute period. Shiba Inu coin sitting at 999 right now. I'm hoping it is able to hold that 1,000 point per coin range. GameStop dropping down as well, 0.63% higher. Clovis, man, I feel good about that $2.15 trade yesterday. I feel good about that $2.15 trade. Is Clovis? This is crazy though. You guys look at Clovis pre-market. $2.30. $2.30 pre-market, and right now it's sitting at $1.53. Wild action over there in Clovis. We get some volatility in the NASDAQ as well, up 0.20% right now, sitting right around this level of support / resistance, depending on what side it's on. BR Therapeutics sitting at 60 cents. AMC, $12.82. Ethereum, down 3.5%. Shiba, down 6%. Bitcoin, down 2.5%. Let the gains begin, unfortunately, to the other side. So, coming back down right now, like we say, guys, underlying trend is to the downside. Sundial sitting at 35 cents. Mullen Auto, $1.63. CEI, down 3.5% right now, 44 cents. The SPY is sitting at 375.20 points. Break even on the day. BBIG down 6%. $2 per share. Highcraft Mining, $1.37. Netflix, $177.92, up 4% on the day. Redbox down 12.63%. Like we say, Clovis down 7% on the day there. Let's watch a Bitcoin. Ladies and gentlemen, let's watch Bitcoin there, see what happens. Hoodinho, Dabrozinho, do Ohioinho. What is going on? Simoninho. Morning, bro. Did he do that? What's going on, man? Good morning, everybody. Good morning, Paul. DP, what's going on, DP? Hashtag second in the chat. Oh, yeah, DP. Hi, Bucky and Dean. Everybody say hello to each other. Everybody have a good time. Hello, PWL and Simon. You guys are awesome. All right, let's see what we got going on here today. It's going to be a good day, though. It's going to be a good day. I'm not going to let this red scare me because we've got just as much green on the chart right now. And for every red, we've got a green that outshines it. BBIG down 6%. Mullen is up 6%. Highcroft Mining is down 0.37%. Sundial is up 0.25%. We've got CEI down 3%. We've got AMC up 2.5%. We've got BR Therapeutics down 2%. We are up 4% on Netflix. Yeah, guys. Redbox, well, nothing's canceling Redbox right now. Redbox is getting hit too hard to be canceling. Same with Clovis. But we could just add more stocks to the chart to even things out if we wanted to. Hello, everyone. Dunnell. Where's Pika? Pika, are you in here? I know these boys are just group texting me right now. Come on. Slow down with the group text. No group text from 12 to 1, please. Oh, they're going to take me off the screen right now. They're going to take me off the screen. I know they are. Give me 2 seconds, guys. Give me 2 seconds here. I don't know what's going on. These guys just, they're relentless, man. They never stopped. Stop. All right. Hopefully they learn to stop there. We're all good now. Tell them to stop. We'll see if they stop. Maybe they won't. Amazon wants Mullen vehicles. Wink, wink. Shred it. If Amazon buys Mullen vehicles, yeah. Wink, wink. I think we're going to see further upside over there. Revlon stock. Dude, don't listen. Don't tell me if you buy Revlon, okay? Let me just put it that way. If you're going to buy Revlon, don't stress me out. Don't let me know that you're buying Revlon. No. Please, don't tell me if you're buying Revlon. Revlon, yeah. Okay, this is a wild chart. This stock right here, this company right here, files bankruptcy and rockets from $1 to $10 per share. If you are buying a company based on the fact that they are bankrupt, this is a pyramid scheme, okay? Don't be upset when this stock does come crumbling back down and the SEC does nothing about it, okay? Literally, these guys filed bankruptcy. This is not an AMC play. This is not a Redbox play. These guys filed bankruptcy. If you guys want to see a little bit of this here, you can see shares outstanding, 54 million. Free float, only 7 million. Revlon owns the other shares, guys. Revlon is most likely going to issue these shares and walk away with, I don't know, $500 million. So just be careful when Revlon comes and screws you guys because they bring in $500 million by reissuing that equity and putting it back out into shares outstanding. They might even have authorized shares that they're going to dilute the company with. So be very, very careful. I'm not buying Revlon. I would buy puts on Revlon, but I'm not buying Revlon. If you guys do, man, don't tell me because I don't want to be nervous. No notification of any kind. Frank, that's the best kind, man. When there's only 32 people in here because YouTube doesn't want to give notifications that I'm going live to anybody. Nice. Thanks, YouTube. Really appreciate it. I bought one whole BTC cash token, bro. LFG. Let's go. Did you buy like an actual BTC? You wouldn't drop 20 grand on a Bitcoin, or what is a cash token? God, this. I wonder if I can turn notifications off. I can't believe these people are still texting here. Hold on. This is ridiculous. Do not disturb. Yeah. None. No messages. Okay. Got it. And yet somehow they're still coming through. We'll find out. We are completely on Do Not Disturb at this point in the game, ladies and gentlemen. We shall see. What is going on, man? All right. Okay. Completely turn notifications off within the messaging app. So, there better be zero nonsense. Better be zero nonsense going on now. Completely turn it like Do Not Disturb with no notifications, no messages coming through, and notifications turned off within the messaging app. So, we better not have any more problems here, and then we are going to be good because those boys were going wild. It's just ridiculous, man. People going wild about inflation within the messages. It's ridiculous. Just come here and go wild within the chat about inflation. Everybody else would go wild with you. We are on our way down, in an early round. Jerome Powell going down, swinging, bringing the stock market with him. All right, what do we got? We got Zella rolling today, too. Oh, my OG lunatic bro. Yo, what's going on, man? Sounds painful shredded. Didn't see what Shredder had to say there. Do you think it's time to buy or sell Shiba? Get 1,400,000,000 Shib. Mike, I still think we're going down, man. I still think we're going down. I think that Jerome Powell, I think the guys up top, I think they're going to ruin everything for the short term. And, hey, the good news is, if they ruin everything for the short term, we can make it through. If they ruin everything for the long term, nobody's going to have any money anyway. So it doesn't matter that we don't have any money. They're going to ruin literally everything. So it'll be okay. Either way, it's a win-win situation. Either everything is ruined and nothing matters, or it's ruined in the short term. We can load up, come out on top out the other side. Usually a catalyst that triggers or doesn't trigger bear bull markets. And do you think we are in a atypical cycle because of all the news going on in Russian inflation? So Gary, a lot of people believe that bull markets and bear markets are triggered by a couple things. And some of the largest, I guess, contributors to bull and bear market cycles are three things: inflation, interest rates, and earnings. Now, when inflation and interest rates rise, that is bad for the market. But bull markets and bear markets can typically turn based on one thing, and that is earnings. If companies are continuing to push through and have not only positive earnings, but rising earnings, we're still in a bull market, I guess, case. If companies are starting to decline in earnings, if their earnings are going down, and they will most likely go down because of inflation and interest rates rising. If earnings are going down and companies are not able to continue growing, that's a bear market cycle. So, right now, I actually FactSet Earnings Insight is what I was talking about the last time, and I couldn't remember it. I did remember it after the stream. But FactSet Earnings Insight is a good way to see if companies are earning or are growing earnings or declining earnings in the overall S&P 500. But it's looking like a typical bear market cycle in the sense that earnings and inflation or interest rates and inflation are increasing, and therefore earnings are going to be or are already decreasing, which is what we've been seeing with GDP coming back down and a looming recession and things like that. Now, the causes may not be typical, right? We've got massive spending that is going on out there, the massive printing of money, supply chain issues. Yes, Russia does contribute to it. We've sanctioned Russian goods and services, and we are no longer buying Russian oil. Therefore, that is absolutely contributing to rising gas prices. So it does have a lot to do with it, man. But the three things you may want to focus on are like the three overall indicators. All of the things that cause rising inflation and cause rising interest rates are good to look at as well. But that's more of a micro scale. Macro scale, you've got the earnings, inflation, and interest rates that you can look at there. Can't stay long. Hey to everyone, and drop a like. I'm going to listen to the J Powell testimony. Kalani, go listen to J Powell destroy the markets and watch us burn. Let us know what he says, man. Bring us in. Doubtful Jason. Didn't see what Jason said. Jason might have been the one I was answering there about the typical. I am waiting to hit 8.5. Mike, 8.5K on Bitcoin? What are we talking about here? What happened to Shib yesterday? OG Lunatic. We know it was you, Clay. Yeah, dude, it was me, man. I was coming in buying big, and then I was selling everything like the whale that I am, man. Brought it right back down to where it's at now, dude. It wasn't me. Come on. I wish it was me. I was in a great mood until about 30 minutes ago. Powell's a piece of crap. The stock market's a piece of crap. And AMC is a bigger piece of crap. But that said, I'm going to go watch a movie. See you, bros. Crypto Rocketeer, man. Enjoy your movie, dude. Enjoy your, what is it over there? Late afternoon / evening at the moment. And I do agree, man. I do agree. I do agree that the stock market is currently acting like a piece of crap. I do agree that, Jerome Powell and all of these leaders, let me put it in quotes, leaders are acting like a piece of crap as well. A leader does not cast blame elsewhere. A leader doesn't necessarily have to, I guess, burden themselves with someone else's blame. They can if they want. But a leader solves problems, man. And we are not seeing problems solved. And so therefore I do agree that, we've got a lot of people out there in positions of power that act like, they went to kindergarten and then just they're trying to make decisions. And, well, let's print 4 times the amount of money that we've ever had outstanding before, and hopefully it doesn't do anything. Stay up, Crypto Rocketeer. Yes, stay up, man. Hello, everyone from Fremont, California. Sing Amit, man. Sing Amit. What is going on? The stock market isn't a piece of crap. The government, well, yeah, diamond balls, man. Everybody's going to have their... The stock market's performing like a piece of crap right now, right? I mean, I think we can agree on the overall performance. Now, when you're trying to look at what actually is the piece of crap that's causing the piece of crap performance, then, then yes, people can cast blame on supply chain. They can cast blame on inflation in general. You can go as far as to say, well, inflation is the way that it is because of this happening and so on. We can cast blame all day long, man. I just want a dang solution. That's all I want. I want somebody to come in. So I want somebody to come in that is much smarter than me and be able to think this out like a darn game of chess, understanding all the moves that we may see happen, pull a little Doctor Strange, see each little scenario, and then say, you know what? We've got a couple solutions. These are the highest cases. Let's see. This could cause some adverse side effects. We're going to discuss these. And we know that everybody's not going to agree on it. But we do believe that this is the best way to get us back on track. Otherwise, you guys want to know what my doom and gloom scenario is? Does anybody out there want to know what my doom and gloom scenario is? Let me know. Let me know if you want to know what my doom and gloom scenario is. I'll share it with you guys, if you really want to know. Shiba Inu coin, Bitcoin, posting some big purple lines right now. We got Bitcoin dropping back down to the $19,000 range. Shiba Inu coin sitting down here at 976 points. Bitcoin coming down. We've got is the market back in the red? Yes, NASDAQ is back in the red, ladies and gentlemen. The SPY back in the red. We were green for a while, but they said, we will not be having any of those gains right now. Please and no thank you. We will be taking those gains back from everybody that is invested in anything right now. How does raising interest rates help inflation? Gary, so here's the theory behind it. And so in theory it works, but in practice it may or may not work. So rising inflation can be caused by basically two things, okay? Supply drastically decreasing or demand drastically increasing. And right now, we do have a little bit of a mix between both of those. Some people are going to point you in the supply direction because they want to divert your attention from the demand, aspect of it. But there's no denying that with 80% of all of the US dollars in circulation printed in the last 2 years, that the supply of the dollar has increased drastically. Therefore, spending has increased drastically. And if you, I know it doesn't feel like it because those dollars weren't given to you and they've already been taken from you, but if you had 4 times the amount of money that you have right now, don't you think that you'd be willing to spend a little more? Let's say that car you wanted that cost, $40,000. All of a sudden, you had 4 times the amount of money that you currently do. You were absolutely willing to go buy that car. You wanted a house, dude. You were sitting on $100,000 cash. You wanted a $400,000 house. All of a sudden, you got $400,000 in your bank. That house you want, boom, it is yours. You're going to go buy it. So injecting all of that cash into the economy caused a lot of spending and drove inflation up. Now, how do we combat that? We have to decrease spending or increase supply. And unfortunately, right now, we can't cause businesses or make businesses produce more goods and services to increase the supply. So we have to stop people from spending their money. And if we make money more expensive, if all of a sudden the business who's able to go out and borrow money for 2%, and then they're able to go out and spend that money and make 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10% on it and leverage those loans that way and generate a profit, well, what if we charge them 5%, 8%, 10%? They're not going to be able to borrow that money and then go out and spend it to make more money. It is going to deter spending. If you wanted to buy a house, but all of a sudden, instead of paying $1,000 a month in interest, you're going to be paying $4,000 a month in interest, you're probably not going to go buy that house. And I know these are drastic examples, right? But it's just to show you that you can afford $1,000 a month interest, but you can't afford $4,000 a month interest. and therefore you're not going to spend that money. When you don't spend the money, the prices, because there's less demand, the prices should come down. That's the theory behind it, man. Let's see. On a serious note, I truly believe we are going to decline a lot more than we are right now. It's just when prices get so low, buys pump it, and they're to sell anyway. So it's just going to... Yeah, OG Lunatic. I agree, man. I agree. Until we get the fundamental issues that are driving the prices down, until we get those to change and become fundamental catalysts, then I do agree that we're going to see some downward action here for the next, I don't know, man, near to midterm until we can change things with inflation, interest rates, and investor confidence, and so on. Many people try to make people feel that it's the end because it's time for making money, bro. Many bro trying to make people feel that it's the end. Yeah, Mike, look, dude, I don't know if I exactly understood that perfectly, but no, I do agree, man. I do agree that things are looking very strange right now. I don't think it's the end. If it is the end, nobody cares, so it's going to be okay. I mean, nobody cares about your money if it really is the end. Whoa. Thought I'd stop in for a minute, take a break from Revlon, bro. Fantastic. Wayne Girl, I swear to you, if you're in Revlon, don't tell me you're in Revlon, dude. I don't want to know anybody that's in Revlon right now. Revlon is way too dangerous. And I don't think that it's going to have a happy ending, man. If you make it, then good. If you just make it and get out, if you're going to be playing Revlon. I don't know if it's going to have a happy ending for you. Good morning, all you amazing human beings. What a wonderful day to be an ape. It is an amazing day to be an ape, Frodo. Heck yeah, man. I made crazy mommy with cash buy and sell condominium. Mike's making some crazy mommies out there. That's what I'm talking about, Mike. Make those crazy mommies. Buy and sell that condominium cash, dude. Hey, my boy. Hope all is well. Bill's Showtime. All is well at the moment, dude. All is well. I timed this trade over here on Clovis very well, so I'm happy with this trade I had yesterday. Got out at $2.15. Today it's sitting at $1.53. So not bad there. Unfortunately, we've got Bitcoin back down in the $19,000 range. Shiba Inu coin sitting at $9.79. GameStop basically break even on the day. AMC giving back some of its earlier gains, sitting at $12.73 right now, bouncing off $13.22, coming up near this level of resistance we've got, and bouncing back off and now back down to $12.73 at the moment. So very interesting day so far. We hope that it turns around and we see some gains. But yeah, right now we're seeing some losses. Crypto gonna crash like Princess Craig, man. I don't know. I do think that it's gonna continue coming down though. Greetings from Barrow City in the northernmost city in America's American continent where sun doesn't set during the summertime. Mr. Simonino going on Google and finding random city of the day and pretending that he is from there. Nice, Mr. Simon. I like it. Hopefully you got good old summertime sun today. I had to get in on it. Was making a move. I had to get... God, Wayne, are you out, though, or are you still in? If you're out, man, I love it. I love it. I don't know what it's at right now. I saw it was at 980 this morning. What is this, Revlon? 820. Are you in, dude, or are you out? I gotta know, because Wayne Grill, you make me nervous, dude, and now you're gonna continue making me nervous on this Revlon, this bankrupt company that people are just building on air right now. OG Lunatic, thank you for the super chat. OG Lunatic says, smash that like button, people. Boom, baby, smash that like button. Okay, so we had about 150 people in here, and I walked away with 60 likes. Don't be lazy. Just click the like button. It's not that hard. August, another 20% drop. We gotta wait till August? Yeah, I mean, listen, do you think we're gonna stay in this area? You think we're gonna trade in this range until August? I don't think that's impossible, man, because we spent a little over a month. We spent about 6 weeks in this range here. We could definitely spend 6 weeks in this range here. Go to August before we would see a 20% drop. I wouldn't be, honest, dude, honest, I wouldn't be surprised to see a 50% drop. I mean, 17, you know, you're getting close to your 20% drop, going back down to 17. I'm not trying to be a huge bear, dude, but next major level of support after you get out of this little area in here, it's going to be like $8,000 to $12,000. So, yeah, I think we could see a 20% drop before August, and then another 20% drop in August as well. I just smashed it. Smiley Miami, very nice. Kim Wallace smashed it. Rev, everybody wants to talk about Rev, man. You guys are making me, it's like you want to see me sweat. It's like you want to see me sweat, for real. Calling 15 to 10K. Yeah, Bills, me too, man. I'm calling like 8 to 12, man. I'm calling 8 to 12. Chris just tapped in. AMC still going down? Probably. AMC is going down in another round. AMC going down, swinging. AMC's down a little bit right now, man. I don't exactly know what Jerome Powell is saying right now. But from what I was seeing earlier, he was testifying that, well, you know, the Federal Reserve is going to do exactly what they can do, and to the best of their ability, they're going to try and keep us out of a recession. Dude, he's not going to keep us out of a recession. Like, we're already in a recession, man. We're already in a recession. He doesn't think that GDP is continuing to decline right now. He thinks the people are out and spending more and earning more, and businesses are growing at the moment. Like, I don't even know if he lives on Earth. I really don't. Some of these guys, I really don't know if they live in the same place that we do. That's the best explanation I can come up with, is that they can't possibly live in the same Earth that we do. I got it under control. Was it you or the Jarhead that said Vicks Vapor Rub yesterday? I have no idea what's going on right now. How about a squeeze soon, Scooby? Shaggy, let's get that squeeze, man. Which we's talking about squeezing, though? If you're talking about Revlon or something squeezing, I don't want to do it. Eat your daily banana. What I gotta do? Kim, everybody needs to eat their daily banana. I don't know why all of the messages are hidden. I dropped my phone and it clicked something. Sorry. Yeah. Chris coming out here. I just dropped my phone. Oops, now everybody's blocked. Right, Chris. Blame it on that, man. Oops, dropped my phone. Now everybody's blocked. Can't talk. Crab's amazing on a spider bite. Dude, Vicks Vapor Rub on a spider bite? What about a mosquito bite? You put it on there, too? Now I gotta know. Dude, you guys come up with something? Shiba lowest will be How many is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros in a 3. Hey, DCG, that's not bad, man. That's not bad. That, from where we're at right now, that would probably coincide pretty well with the $10,000 range on Bitcoin. I mean, would you agree? TCG investors saying lowest on Shiba would be about 348. I don't know where he comes up with these exact numbers, but you know, seeming from where we're at right now, that would coincide with roughly a $7,000 to $10,000 price point on Bitcoin. Or are you saying Bitcoin's gonna hold slightly above that and Shiba's gonna come down a little bit more? Bro, what's up, Mike? What's going on, man? Funniest thing ever. Kim, what's funny? When I eat a banana, you think it's funny? I thought it was normal. Pack of napkin, $50 here in Barrow City Clay. A bag of large potato chips, $10. What is like napkins? Napkins? Or are we talking like there's something called Napking that I don't know about? You can get a pack of Napking and go to sleep very easily. And I don't know what we're referring to with napkins. But if they're napkins, $50 for a pack of napkins, dude, forget about it, dude. Use your sleeve or use your shorts or something. Hello, Clay, bro. My AMC family just dropped in to say hi. I've been working outside in this darn heat, and it is hot. Dude, I was sitting outside earlier today. Yes, it's 89 degrees already here, and that is extremely hot. I had to sit in the shade. I bought 500 shares at $8 rep. Oh, my God. Get a stop loss on there, Smiley Miami, or are you literally trying to ride this out? 500 shares. Oh my gosh. 500 shares at $8, and this dude's sitting right here at $8.28. You're in the money, dude. You're in the money. Make it happen if you can make it happen. You could wake up tomorrow and that stock could be down at like 30 cents. BTC going up, bro. BTC rolling back a little bit right now. A couple green lines on there, going back up to $20,096 right now. Yeah, we got it. Listen, we're gonna have those bounces, man. I still think the overwhelming trend is to the downside, but we're gonna have these bounces, and hey, it could absolutely work out for it if you guys are trying to trade some short-term trades. Well, Mr. Simon, you live on the farthest point of the world. Shredda. Yes, he does. Salmonino finds the best place. Yes, napkins. Oh, okay, good. I'm like, what is a napkin, dude? It's like the opposite of an energy drink. You guys may have just came up with something very, very lucrative. Call it napkin, and it's like a little energy drink. It could be like a 5-hour energy shot. You call it napkin. Dude, you drink it. Like 30 seconds later, you're taking a nap. Not a long nap, a 30-minute nap. Maybe a 1 hour nap. You just out. It works really quickly, and you take your nice little 30-minute nap, and you call it the Nap King. Dude, Samanino. Yeah, I'd pay $50 for a bottle of that. You need to catch up on some sleep, dude. You got a little lunch break. Take that thing on your lunch break. Dude, you're back ready to go. Highly productive. Shoot, dude. You'd have companies that stack Red Bull for their employees and that stack Nap King for their employees. You got an hour-long lunch? Pop a Nap King, dude. Come back refreshed and ready to go the rest of the day. Pop a Nap King, then hit a Red Bull afterwards, and you are like, you are ready to go, man. Thank you, Love You Channel. You the man. You the man, Smiley. In fact, I'm scared. Well, don't be scared, man. Guarantee yourself some profit. Revlon is an extremely risky trade right now. Okay, you could wake up tomorrow. It could be back down to $2. You could wake up tomorrow, and honestly, with these people that are pumping it right now, it could be up to $20. Okay, like in all honesty, it's way too volatile, and they have declared bankruptcy. Like, it's a bad stock to be buying right now, but people are making 9x their money. So clearly, they're doing very well. Guarantee yourself some money, man. Guarantee yourself some money. Put a stop loss on there at a couple % gain if you want, and don't look back. Might come back down to $7, and if you were in at $8, you got stopped out at $8.10. You make a little bit of money there, and then jump back in at $7.50 if you want. You're still in a better position. Yeah, take your profits. Nothing is ever financial advice, but I'm going to tell you right now, when you guys got me sweating on camera in front of everybody, and then I got to worry about your Revlon trade, the stock's moving like 10 cents at a time, $8.34 right now, and I got to watch you get nervous at $6.95 because this stock is tanking and it's taking hard, or because the fact that they've only got a float of 7 million shares, and they've got 54 million shares outstanding. At any given time, they could reissue those shares and sell them back into the market, and all of a sudden, you're sitting on major dilution, and this stock is back down to 45 cents in a matter of no time, and Revlon is the one that walks away with $300 million by reissuing their shares. So, I don't know, man. I don't know. I don't like these companies that dilute their investors. Oh, Shredder, what is your aviator? Kills me every time. I can't make it bigger. What is happening right now? I eat Arizona Diamondback rattlesnakes. Pudgy. That is dangerous, man. Do not be doing that. I'm a Rothschild in here. I didn't know what he said. Davis Rothschild, trillionaire, a gorillionaire. Next product in the market, Nap King, NPKG. Hey, I don't know, man, but I think Nap King would be a good idea. It would be extremely dangerous. Probably much more dangerous than, like, could you imagine drinking a Red Bull and then driving to work? Okay, cool. Could you imagine drinking a Nap King and then driving home from work? You're going to be taking a nap on your commute home from work. Not a good idea. Could be very dangerous. I see a lot of lawsuits ahead of us, but Nap King, man, let's make it happen. Productivity just went through the roof as long as you guys are responsible. David, when you come out of timeout, you can solve my mathematical question. Yeah, David, solve the mathematical question. I didn't even see what it was. 2 times 3. 2 times 3, David. 5. No, that's 2 plus 3. Let's see. No stop losses. Hedges can see them. Oh, my God. Wayne Grow. Oh, Wayne Grow likes to make me squirm. Wayne Grow likes to make me learn. Wayne Grow, you're scaring me, dude. No stop losses on a stock as volatile as Revlon. You're asking for it, my friend. Shut up. Okay, thank you. That was driving me nuts. I have no idea what Stretta said there. Kim, it's a piece of chalk. You guys have these side conversations that I am just lost in sometimes. I'm telling you right now. You want to know why Rev is so great? It's so easy to day trade, brother. It goes up, then down, and more up. Nice and smooth. Wayne Grow, dude. Day trade it all day if you want, man. Day trade it all day if you want. I'm not touching it, dude. I thought it was way too expensive this day right here, when it was sitting at $1.50. I mean, it jumped up from $1.08. It was sitting at $1.50, and I'm like, oh, dude, forget that. It's up like 45% right now. I'm not buying some bankrupt company. I literally looked at this and said, no, I'm not touching that. At $1.50. And it's sitting at $8.34 right now. So that should go to show you that it's still scary. It's still scary. Uniswap going to break out soon. Watch. We talking UNI or are we talking like Uniswap, the coin? Because Uniswap was rolling pretty high this morning. You might be talking about something else though. No. Unisync, we talking about this? Nah, you can't be talking about this. I'm not talking about that. You're talking about Uniswap. I know you are. I know you are, my friend. Delete that. Okay. Back here. Awesome. We're in hyperinflation right now, actually. The rate is actually close to 13 to 17%. Climbing Fed is going to lose this fight. Yeah, TCG, man. Dude, I would honestly, I don't know every good that is in their basket of goods that they judge the CPI on, but I would imagine, like, if you look at the majority of what U.S. consumers spend their money on, I would argue that we are probably already above the 13 to 17% range. Dude, we're probably somewhere more like 50 to 60% inflation. Gas is a major expense. That is up. Rent and housing, major expense. That is up. And in food, if you look, I don't care if you're talking restaurant. I don't care if you're talking going to the grocery store and trying to buy the cheapest food possible. It is still up in value. I think, and this is just my thought process here, but I think that they have like overweighted Arizona iced tea and things like that in their basket of goods and services that they use to calculate CPI in order to bring it down a little bit and subdue it from the actual rate, because there's nothing that I am only paying 8% more for right now. Everything is more than that. Let's see. Hemi, I have not done any research on Tectonic, man. I'm not going to lie. I have not done it. And so therefore I am not buying into it. But, yeah, I mean, if you're earning like 70%, man, and they can keep that up, I say go for it. Only if they can keep it up, though. Uniswap token. Yeah. Nick, Uniswap was doing very well this morning. If you're smart and not greedy, Mike says, day a trade, make you rich. Yeah, Mike, day trading can make you rich. Day trading can also make you poor. And I don't think it's just about being smart and not greedy. I think it's about being disciplined and not greedy. I actually don't know if you really have to be smart to day trade. You do have to be extremely disciplined, though. And what I mean by that is you've got to follow. You have to follow your trading plan, and you cannot let your emotions get the best of you. If you plan on getting in and getting right back out, you have to be a little conservative in the fact that, you know, just stack winners, man. Stack winners. Keep hitting positive returns. As soon as you start to hit some losers and let them run, you're going to wipe yourself out. But if you continue to follow your plan and it works and you've got a positive expectancy and you're walking away with a net profit at the end of each week, you will win some, you will lose some, but if you've got a net profit at the end of each week, yes, you will be successful doing it. I think, personally, it adds to the stress. I mean, it does. If you are constantly having to make decisions, if you are constantly having to reassess risk and things like that, that's one of the reasons you have to be extremely dedicated and extremely disciplined, is so that you don't necessarily have to make these decisions. You see your crossover, you see your entry point, you get in, you see your exit point, you get out. It's automated at that point. But yeah, dude, you can also lose very quickly day trading. Rev taking off again. Good luck, everybody. This dude making me nervous. Talking about Revlon taking off. Revlon back up to $8.48 right now. Nice little green candle. And right back down to where it was. So $8.84. And then 1 minute and 30 seconds later, back down 40 cents, 5%, to $8.40 there. Very drastic. Look at this drop here from 860 to 789 in a 1 minute candle. My goodness, man. You guys like to play with You guys like to play with makeup, don't you? Yes, you do. That's why you're in Revlon. 200,000 is easy to make if you use your mind. It is true, man. It is true. $200,000, easy to make, but also very easy to lose. Gas tax is only about 20 cents. Clownfish. Yeah, I don't know how much the gas tax is. Okay, catch y'all later. Lunchtime. Shredder, enjoy your lunch, man. Believe me, man, I used to be greedy and lost, but make it smart. You absolutely can make a lot of money. No, Mike, I know, dude. I know. I believe it. But like I say, you can also lose, too. See, $25 annual pass for a Volusia country. I don't even know what that is, man. Yes, take care. Keep in touch. Everybody should. Started with 2,000 to 480,000 total. I could make way much more. I was greedy. No more. Mike, very nice, man. I hope you're not pulling our legs. Arthur Small. I live in the most dangerous mouth in what? No. Where? I don't know what we're talking about right now. New Inlet, don't know where that's at. Dangerous Mouth in where? What do we got? Nebraska, New England? I don't know what's happening. Shut up! Bye. Hope grandmother's doing well. How we still feeling about Shib? Papalion, man. I'm feeling pretty good about Shib. I like the fact that Shib is still at levels higher than where, like, Shib compared to last month is doing better than Bitcoin and Ethereum were compared to where they were last month. And still feel good about the overall project, man. We can see it's pulling back a little bit yesterday, absolutely, but we're still sitting here pretty nice compared to where we were a couple weeks ago, last week. And if we look at Bitcoin, we're starting to retest some lows here, man. Getting ready to come back down in that $19,000 range on Bitcoin. So Shiba Inu coin does seem to be holding up at the moment, and I like it. Quick thoughts on HRTX. They make drugs for cancer. No, cancer will never go away. It is a very lucrative business, and I think it is highly shorted like Revlon with small market cap. HRTX. HRTX. Let's see what these guys are doing. All right. Gosh, man, I hate seeing long-term companies like this, but I mean, it's obvious that these guys aren't going to return to 1991 prices. We've just seen some drastic reverse splits along the way to knock this price all the way up to $1,900. But if we look at a daily chart, and I don't know why the gap down here, I don't know why the continued decline, but we can see that they've been declining since well before November. They were declining for the entirety of 2021. I don't necessarily like this, but I do like this, okay? Every time that they fall, they do seem to retest the previous levels of support. So we come down here, we've got this little level in here, okay? Now it falls below, retests this level of support. Now, you can see where we are here on this level of support, falls, comes up, and tries to retest that level of support. Now, you can see where we're at right here. Boom, falls down, comes back up to retest that level of support that we've got back here. Same deal, this time it bounced a little higher. If we didn't have this one green candle here, we would have been retesting this level of support right here. Comes down, jumps back up to retest that level of support. Right here, exactly where this level of support was. Boom, falls, bounces back up to retest this level of support. Boom, falls, retests this level of support. Now, this one didn't get its test yet, but boom, fell a little bit more drastically with this gap down here. Came back up and basically made it to the top of this gap. Now, looking at this, same fall, we're going to test one of two areas, in my opinion. It's either going to come all the way back up and test, in this range right here. Doesn't have to be perfect. It's either going to come back up into the $4.50 range and test it before tanking off again, or more conservatively, you're already in that area, in this little area right in here. So you'd be looking at the $3.25 range to about $3.50 range. I don't like the company. I don't like this stock because they have been losing And this is all based on price, right? It's all based on price, man. I don't know what their fundamentals or financials look like. But the fact that they've been losing the entirety of 2021, I would have more of a technical trade on this one. And if you're not trying to get into it just yet, maybe you watch for the next fall and it drops down to a $1.20, and then it comes back up and retests this area at 220. So could be something to look at there. But it has been, I mean, the stair step down on this has been very, very cyclical. Where we at? Thank you, Clay. I'm still holding my shit with 52 million. I'm long term. Also believe in them. Papillion, very nice, man. Converted all my assets to USD coin. Therefore, I'm not having to pay tax. And, oh man, where are we at? And I get to watch the panic start setting in for everyone again, especially new investors coming into the market. Yeah, bad takeover, man. I do think they want you paying taxes, but that's up to you. With the panic setting in, it hits different when you're in a stable coin, right? It does. So you've taken a more conservative approach. I am in USDC as well. I'm holding mine on Voyager. Hopefully Voyager is all good. And earning my 9% as the crypto market kind of falls and continues to unravel over the short term. Guys, please like and subscribe to the channel. Yes, it is free. Click the like button, click the subscribe button, listen to Mike. Shibnobi, your thoughts? Lots of innovations, a few million Shiba Inu to the moon. Michael, I do not own any Shibnobi, man. The Shinja. They're the ones with like 69 sextillion outstanding coins, right? Or total supply. That's a lot, dude. That's a lot. I actually have not heard about Shinja or Shibnobi in several months. I actually forgot about them. It's a black diamond looking chart. Yes, it is, Kim Wallace. You've got plenty of moguls on the way down. But you can make some money on those falling charts. You can play them to the downside if you want. Can you buy any puts on that? I mean, you may be able to buy some puts on it too. Wow. Very low open interest, but these calls here, I don't know if this call should be up 109% today. That seems a little much to me. You know what else I wanted to look at? Boxed. I wanted to look at boxed. 227 right now. I don't know, man. I don't know. I was thinking about, I'm looking into this a little bit more to see if they can recover from where they're at right here. At least try to come back up to this $7 range. It's looking very interesting with these 2 daily gains here on this nice turnover. Sure, I think you can come back down a little bit more, but very interesting activity going on in boxed right here. Might be something that I'm going to look at, hopefully trading short term if this trend were to continue here. Drastic fall off after this SPAC went public, had a lot of action here, came back, just tested this $10 support range for a while that it was trading in, and really sold off. I believe they got negative financials though. Yeah, they lost, oh geez, what? They lost $36 million on $46 million in revenue. Their balance sheet did not look good either, I believe. Total assets, $200 million, and then they have, where are we at? Total liabilities. Okay, so they've got a little bit more liabilities than they do assets. Very little equity. Yeah, actually negative equity. So they're down $30 million on their book value there. But nonetheless, man, very interesting chart pattern here. And here's the thing, man. I think when people start to see this, they're going to start to get excited. Retail is going to start to get excited and potentially jump in on something like this as well. So I'm keeping my eye on boxed right now. Don't ever believe that market go below in what we are right now. Mike, you don't think that the market's going to go down any further? I don't know. I would believe. Mike, I joined with my other name, but I can't get back in there. Kim, what are we talking about? I don't know what we're talking about there. Missed it. Let's see. Click. What is up with A-Father's very public, nervous breakdown videos? For real, I tell him to put his shirt on in the comments. I don't know, Julia. I don't know. I'm going to say this. I was like in the A-Father's live stream. I think it was Friday or Saturday night, and he was at the bar, right? He was drinking, obviously, pretty heavily. I am just hoping that... No, it was Thursday night. I think he was at the bar on Thursday night. I am just hoping that he's okay and like he's not upset that AMC is at the prices that it's at right now, and you know, might be starting to lose hope or something that AMC can recover. It's very difficult sometimes when you are down a lot of money to continue holding and rationalize the decisions you've made, but I don't think that it's impossible for AMC to jump back up. And, dude, I just hope that he's not, you know, unraveling a little bit or anything. I hope the dude's okay. I like that guy. More supply than grains of sand on the earth and stars in the sky, Outdoor Smile. Way more supply than anybody should ever have to look at. Make it or lose it, but in quick profits. Mike, what are we talking about? I don't believe the market. What are we talking about? We're making quick profits on what? Always watching the whole market and follow. Let's do it. So glad I sold IMPP at 74 cents for a profit before it dropped so bad this past week. What is IMPP sitting at now? I've not looked at it. 51 cents. Yeah, dude, you might be able to get back into IMPP in that 30-cent range here pretty soon. Retesting these little support levels down here in the 50s. You might be able to get in that 30-cent range here pretty soon. Keith killed that trade. Heck yeah, man. Keith did good. Keith did good. Everyone, check out Pudgy on YouTube. Like and subscribe. Please do so. It's simple. It is always so simple. Bought more silver bullion since it's the only investment that has held up its value this past year. Cryptos are junk lately. Yeah, dude, cryptos are junk lately. Stocks are junk lately. Houses are probably going to be junk here pretty soon with interest rates going through the roof. It's going to be tough, man. It's going to be tough, but you make it through, you're going to be doing pretty well. It's all good here. BTC go down 3%, sell BTC, go up, just sell. Yeah, if you can capitalize on every 3% swing that's out there, man, of course you're going to be a multi-millionaire. Got a notification from Robinhood. I'm a Disney stock. Hit a 52-week low, and I own 3 times more Ethereum than Bit, and Ethereum is down bad. Yeah, RK SoCal, man. Ethereum is down pretty bad. Ethereum sitting at 1,068, but if you look at a daily chart, we can see that Ethereum has been slowly continuing its decline. Where if you put Bitcoin on here, Bitcoin kind of steadied off for a while and then declined. I still think that Bitcoin is at roughly just under a third of its top value. Ethereum's at about a fifth of its top value. So overall, yeah, from the peak, Ethereum has declined more than Bitcoin has. And if you look at this weekly chart, man, we are giving back a ton of gains at this point, man. This line here at 143, shoot, man, that's gonna be looking pretty good for a loading line. Of course, unless we go back to like 2016 prices, that would get a little wild if we were back down at $5 Ethereum. Yeah, $5 Ethereum would be pretty wild, guys. I would accept Ethereum super chats at that point, and you guys could just send me Ethereum if it goes back down to $5. I think that would be amazing. But I want to watch Bitcoin, not Ethereum, and I want to watch minute chart, not a monthly chart. So let's keep our eyes on the Bitcoin price. Pika, where is you? Where you at, Pika? Silver's always a good investment. Yeah, much more stable. Much more stable. I don't think you're going to triple, quadruple, quintuple, 10x your money on silver, but a more stable commodity than something like crypto. Mr. Simon, she had to meet with HR where, oh my gosh, meetings. Hopefully she's getting a raise. Otherwise, let her just work, guys. Come on. Meetings are just a waste of time. Hopefully nothing bad, you know? Maybe she got caught using a phone during work hours. Mr. Simonino, if you're not allowed to use your phone during work hours and you are literally not performing surgery, I think you should probably take the financial advice and just quit and go to a different place. That's ridiculous if you can't use your phone at work. Simon, never, man. She can explain. Yeah. From experience, be happy with a little profit and move up the most losing crypto. You'll always about winning. Do it. Clearbro, you skip Monday and Tuesday videos. The darn videos you make has me hate market keepers. Now, don't want to stay, bro. To IRS and SEC, F with us. Clearbro, you skip Monday and Tuesday videos. Sam Demand, I didn't skip no Monday and Tuesday videos. I made 3 videos on Monday and I made 3 videos on Tuesday. I skipped the Monday live stream because the markets were closed on Monday. The darn videos you make has me hate the market. You mean the exchanges? You mean the exchanges? Like, I hate Celsius too, man. I don't want to see any of these exchanges freezing people's money and freezing their accounts. It really makes me hate them too. I can't fathom how these people make these decisions. ApeCoin is a good long hold. Buy one is a $2, $3 mark. Has strong potential. TCG. Yeah, man, as long as people don't continue to hate on Yuga Labs and the Bored Ape Yacht Club projects that are out there. Pudge, no problem. Heck yeah, guys. Please, everyone, be real and honest experience. We will all do good. For sure, my ZOM is still up about 52%. The exchanges. Yeah, dude, the exchanges are killing me too, man. I do not want to see anybody's money frozen. I think that is theft. I think that those people should go to be criminally prosecuted, not just civilly prosecuted. I think they should be criminally prosecuted for confiscating your funds. It is no different than if I were to go into your bank account and steal all of your money. So yeah, I think that they should be criminally prosecuted, and I think they should probably spend the rest of their life in prison, even if they stole $1 from you. Let's see here. Clovis down to $1.56 right now, sitting 5% lower. Redbox is down 10% on the day. Netflix is down 5%, or up 5% on the day, sorry. Highcroft Mining down 1.5% on the day. BBIG down 5% on the day. SPY is up 0.25% right now, trying to bounce back. CEI, 44 cents. Mullen Auto, $1.64.5. Sitting between $1.64 and $1.65 right now. Not bad at all for Mullen Auto. Up 8.5% on the day. Sundial sitting at 36 cents right now. Man, not a ton of action going on in Sundial, but we love those green lines for anybody that is buying Sundial. Bitcoin, $20,100, dropping below the $20,000 mark, bouncing back above it. Shiba, $9.89. Ethereum sitting at $10.68. AMC, still green on the day, guys. AMC sitting at $12.85 right now. Bior Therapeutics, 60 cents per share. GameStop sitting at $140.88, and the Nasdaq bouncing back into the green, 0.4% higher on the day, 11,112 points, right at this level of resistance/support. If we look at it on a daily chart, it is currently using it as resistance, unable to break back up through it and come out the other side. So currently being used as resistance on the Nasdaq. Hopefully it is able to break back above this here pretty soon and go on a little run, so we don't have to continue watching the markets deteriorate, but we want to watch them grow. They're all Bitcoin of the NFT. They're the Bitcoin of NFTs. It won't fall. Yeah, TCG, but they've got a lot of hate going on right now, man. They do. Also, a baby Bitcoin is amazing to buy now. Baby, what is baby Bitcoin? Does XR Shib have a chance of moving up? XR Shib? I don't know what XR Shib is. Let's see. It has ape in its name. Kim, not every single one of them. You got Molly NFTs. You got some other ones. We hate thieves around here, don't we? We do, man. Scammers and thieves and anybody that is willing to take your belongings. They are not good in my book. We do hate thieves around here, and that is exactly what these exchanges are doing, man. They are thieving. They are taking your money and pretending it's theirs. Shiba, best coin ever. Avner Cohen, let's get it, man. I looking to buy more when AMC when it falls down to the $6 to $9 mark. Yeah, TCG investor. You know, I don't know if we get there or not, but if we look at the overall market, and you can see that we are down pretty heavy. Maybe if we test this pre-pandemic high down here at 9,800 points on the NASDAQ, if we can continue to decline, maybe then we do see the $6 to $9 mark on AMC. That's going to bring us in this area down here. This 860. 6 would be tough. 6 would be tough, dude. That $9 mark is probably much more suitable. But 6, we literally only traded in the $6 range for about a week after running up in January. We spent about a week there in February. I think that would be awfully tough, man. Not impossible, right? Not impossible, though, if the NASDAQ does even continue to break down even further from where we're at. It's not impossible, but at some point you got to look and say what's like tough and what's realistic. And I think this is probably your range to be looking at if you want to be a little bit more conservative. And $8.72, man, kind of seems like it would be a low point on AMC if it's able to continue breaking down there. Let's get rid of these. We don't need these on the daily. That was some fun yesterday after hours. This would be kind of where I would be looking to, unless the market continues to break down even further. If it does, yeah, man, we're probably going to be in a pretty bad place. Zoom in on this. Yes, but we want Bitcoin down there. Man, Bitcoin following the NASDAQ. Bitcoin looks just like the NASDAQ. What the heck is going on, man? Bitcoin looks just like the NASDAQ. Sam Demand number 2. Thank you very much for the super chat. Hood Bro won't be mad at you, though. For Clay Bro, thank you. Sam Demand, dude. Thank you very much for the banana. For this one's for me. I'll lick it and I'll stick it. Thank you, Sam Demand. Really appreciate that. Dude, I was thinking about me that whole time, too. A little weird, Sam, but I got you. Hey, Trapper, don't close your eyes on that one. That one was all for me. Don't ignore my sorry banana. I will never ignore your sorry banana, Sam Demand. A little weird doing it for myself, though. Please, if you like to make money in Shiba, is not have to go to 1 cent. Oh, Avner, for sure, dude. Definitely doesn't have to go to 1 cent, man. Definitely doesn't have to go to a cent to make money. Dude, going to a cent, you're getting like 1,000x your money from where you're at right now. You can make a lot of money with not 1,000x in it. Sam, thank you. Yes, Kim loves the banana. I don't know why Kim loves the banana, man, but hi, Kim. Thank you. Sam the man coming in. He's the hero. Every time, Kim loves it. I like it. Man, it'll not go. No, Mike, I think that it will, man. I think that it will. If we're looking at the overall market, crypto with Bitcoin here, and the NASDAQ, here's my mentality on it. Everything that's been driving it down since November. Inflation fears, interest rate fears. We've got, Russian sanctions and everything that's going on with Russia and Ukraine. We've got supply chain issues where China still has people in lockdown and things like that, imprisoned in their own homes. And there's a lot of uncertainty surrounding those things. And that's what's driving prices lower. Now, here's the thing. None of those have been resolved. We still do not have a resolution with Russia and Ukraine. We still do not have a resolution in supply chain picking up in China. We do not have a resolution or even a slowdown in inflation. And there's no end in sight to how high interest rates will go. So knowing that nothing has been resolved, it's very difficult for me to believe that we would be at the bottom. I believe we would have to see some sort of a fundamental shift before the underlying trend or before the overwhelming trend changes. And I don't think we're there yet. I just don't think we're there yet. FYI, from the white paper, XR Shiba Inu is a lightning fast, zero gas fee meme token running on ISO 222 regulatory approved technology. It is only available on the XRP ledger. Alan, very nice, man. Anything on the XRP ledger is probably a little skeptical at the moment, being, the SEC's investigating them and stuff, but I don't know. I have not looked into them, man. Clay, don't ever do that again, my boy. Bills. Well, man, here's the thing. I can highly doubt, and you should also highly doubt, that that is the last banana that comes over in a super chat. And fortunately for you, that is the only way that I know how to eat a banana, man. That's the only way I know how to eat a banana. It's called the lick and stick technique. You're going to like it. Bills, it shocked me the first time. Now I cry laughing every time. You guys are crazy, man. What is fear and greed index today? Harris, I actually do not know what the fear and greed index is today. Maybe we can go look that up here in a second. You can make plenty of money on Shiba if you know when to buy and sell. If you're a daily trader, you need a minimum of $5,000 to $10,000 investment. A small trade. Yeah, TCG, man. I'm not necessarily a day trader, right? I'm not going to sit there and watch and buy in and sell and buy in and sell. I'd rather think of myself as an investor than a day trader. But it is true, right? Well, we had this conversation with Mike. You can make a lot of money day trading. You can lose a lot of money day trading as well. But it could definitely be lucrative. So I don't know if you're talking about crypto or not, but let's see where we're at here. We can use this. We'll use this one here. I'm sure they're all slightly different, but we've got extreme fear in the crypto market right now. We are at a level of 11. It does not look like it goes much higher than that, but we've got a level of 11 here. And let's see if we can go find another one, see if they are relatively the same. Okay. So this one actually gives you a little bit better history. This one here, crypto fear and greed index, we are sitting at a level of 11 still. Historical values, we are at a level of 11. Yesterday it was a 9. Last week was a 7. Last month was a 10. So people are even more fearful now than they were last month when we were sitting in that $30,000 range. So a lot of ads on this website. My gosh, dude. Ridiculous how many ads are on this website. Gosh, that guy's got more ads on his website than I do on my YouTube videos. Clay's Bananas. Even with that was an accident, man. The one was an accident, and the other one was me literally making fun of Reddit. So, yeah, difficult to say. But the fear and the greed index seem to be turning right now. Bitcoin posting 3 green candles. Shiba Inu coin posting 3 green candles. Looking good. Perp, good long-term hold. Nice project. Go look at Perp, guys. Shiba's the best long-term hold. I believe we are closer to the bottom than the top. Oh, yeah, lucky thoughts. I don't even think that we're... Dude, look at it this way, okay? You could have made so much money in the stock market, buying and selling for, 40 years. An entire trading career. You could have made a lot of money. And you could have lost a lot of money. You could have had a lot of good trades and a lot of bad trades. But if you go back 40 years, what is that, 1980? I don't even know what, if Weeble goes back to 1980, okay? Monthly chart, we're going to have to probably go, let's go quarterly. Let's go quarterly, man. We're looking at this chart here on Microsoft, okay? The Microsoft, we're trading in the 20-cent range. It has a low of 5 cents way back here in 1986. So if you're talking 40 years, your trading career, you could have made a ton of money, lost a ton of money, made a ton of money, yes. But let's just say you bought Bitcoin in 2010, great. But let's say you buy Bitcoin in 2020. We're at the 2020 prices right now. If you buy it and then 40 years later, you're going from 5 cents to $250. Solid move. I don't know if we go back to 1980s. 1983, man. A penny on Apple. Okay? A penny in the 80s. Sitting at $136 per share right now. Amazing. Let's see. What is Coke's ticker. KO. Okay, we can go back to the 70s, but let's just talk 80s because we're going 40 years here. Sitting at 24 cents. Coke's sitting at 24 cents in the 80s. $61 today. And sure, man, you go through great periods, you go through terrible periods, you go through great periods. But the the stock market, being young, right? We was only going back to like 1970. The stock market being very young, not in 1970, but, go way back. Pretend you're getting into the stock market during the Great Depression. And, you could have bought stocks before that. But pretend you're getting in the Great Depression, man. Your cryptocurrency is going to be worth so much more one day. It really will. But so it all depends. If you want to deal with the stress of trading on the way there, if you just want to hold, you've got it. It's 1 o'clock. Guys, it is 1 o'clock. My gosh, I can't believe how fast time goes when you're doing a live stream. Being 1 o'clock, I want to say, Wana, I hope that you enjoy the rest of your afternoon, and you do come back in the afternoon live stream. But, guys, let's get the shout-outs going on. We're going to take a break, eat some lunch, go do some work, whatever you got to do, be productive, enjoy your afternoon, and we will be back in the 3 o'clock hour. Harris, man, shout-out to you, Wayne Girl, Mike, Mr. Simon, Kim Wallace, Danelle, enjoy your afternoon. Sam Demand, number 2, see you later. AMC Trevor saying, peace out to the Diamond-Handed Apes and the Shiba Army. Ali, hello and goodbye. Doug Swafford, see you later. Danelle, STL, see you later. Enjoy your day. Roulette Wheel, Mike, RK SoCal, Sam Demand, number 2, Keith Kemp, that one dude, Remy, and Wana. You are amazing. You are amazing. You are amazing. Wana, you are amazing. Thank you very much for the super chat. Really appreciate that super sticker. Very good way to end the stream, Wana. Really appreciate it. You are amazing. You do not have to send super chats, but thank you very much. Really appreciate you and the fact that you are in here in literally every live stream. Frodo, man, see you later. Julia, Bills, Sam Demand, that one dude, Mike, Bills, Chevy Silver Raider, Sam Demand, Mr. Simon, Donnell, Julia Gulia, RK SoCal, Frodo. Oh, it was a nice dance. Thank you very much, Frodo. Appreciate that. You want her mind blown of a mother or something, a newborn, something watches them 20 years later? Wayne Girl coming in with these riddles, man. Sam Demand, number 2, see Remy. Are super stickers tax deductible? No, unfortunately. Well, they could be. I mean, technically, if you use them as an advertising expense. Why you leaving? Mike, because it's time to go, man. Time for lunch. Somebody see my message. Donnell, enjoy your afternoon. Wana. I didn't see Wana in the chat. Only the super sticker. Wana, enjoy your afternoon. Avner, you're great, man. Julia Gulia, see you later. Ali, Remy, all of you guys. Enjoy your day. So if you want to say it with me, say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.